In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist Pro 16. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 is a cutting-edge pen tablet monitor designed for artists and creatives, featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a color gamut of 133% sRGB. It is equipped with the innovative X3 Elite Plus stylus that boasts 8,192 pressure levels and a tilt sensitivity of 60 degrees, offering a truly lifelike drawing experience. With a report rate of 200 RPS and a resolution of 5080 LPI, artists can enjoy smooth and precise interactions. The monitor includes customizable features such as 8 shortcut keys, dual dials for efficient workflow, and a sleek, durable design with a metallic casing. Compatible with major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, it works seamlessly with popular digital art software. The package comes complete with necessary accessories, but it's important to note that the device requires connection to a computer or laptop to operate. Overall, the Artist Pro 16 is a reliable tool for professionals and enthusiasts looking to enhance their digital art experience. Number 2. GAOMON PD1561 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON PD1561 is a high-performance pen tablet monitor designed to enhance the digital drawing experience with its impressive specifications. Featuring a 15.6-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, it offers a vibrant color gamut covering 72% NTSC and approximately 100% RGB, ensuring vivid rendering of artwork. It supports 8,192 pressure levels and boasts a report rate of 233 pps, allowing for smooth and expressive brush strokes. This tablet includes an adjustable stand with a viewing angle of up to 178 degrees, 10 customizable shortcut keys, and 5 additional menu keys for easy adjustments to color, brightness, and contrast. Advanced anti-glare technology protects the user's eyes, while compatibility with major operating systems like Windows and macOS makes it versatile for various software applications. The package includes a digital pen, cables, an adjustable stand, and other accessories, providing everything needed for a comprehensive artistic toolkit. Weighing just 1.58 kilograms and compact in size, the GAOMON PD1561 is designed to meet diverse creative needs while maintaining comfort and usability. Number 3. GAOMON PD156 Pro. The GAOMON PD156 Pro is a 15.6-inch IPS Full HD graphics tablet display with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and 8,192 pressure levels. It features a 60-degree tilt function and a full laminated screen with AG protective film, providing high-quality visuals with 88% NTSC color gamut. The tablet comes with 9 customized shortcut keys, 1 OSD button, and 1 functional quick dial for convenient operation. It is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 or later, macOS 10.12 or later, and works with major drawing software such as Photoshop and SAI. The tablet is lightweight with a net weight of 1.3 kilograms and offers 2 connection methods for easy setup. Number 4. XPPen Artist 12. The XPPen Artist 12 is a pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 11.5 inches. It offers 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, making it suitable for digital art and design work. The tablet is made of ABS material and has a USB interface for connectivity. It also features an IPS display with 16.7 colors and a viewing angle of 178 degrees. The package includes a pen holder and AP06 passive pen with customizable shortcut keys. The tablet is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and it is certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and other standards. Overall, the XPPen Artist 12 provides a portable and versatile solution for creative professionals. Number 5. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XPPen Graphic Monitor Artist 15.6 Pro is a professional pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 15.6 inch. It offers 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, making it suitable for digital drawing and design work. The tablet features a red dial interface for smooth workflow, 8 customizable shortcut keys, and a roller wheel for easy navigation. It also boasts a full laminated IPS display with 88% NTSC, 120% sRGB, color accuracy and 178 degrees of visual angle, providing rich colors and vivid images. The tablet supports 60 degrees of tilt function for natural display, making it an ideal tool for artists and designers.